You're so sad. Oh, dear. Well, lucky for you, the cat is here.
The cat in the hat.
Good afternoon. Why do you sit there like that? I know it is wet, and the sun is not sunny, but we can have lots of good fun that is funny. I know some good games you can play, and I know some good tricks. A lot of good tricks. I'll show them to you. Your folks not mind at all if I do.
I know, we're going to have so much fun.
This is so cool. Hey, where'd he go?
He was just here.
Hello?
Where'd he go?
Hello?
Hello?
He's here. Where'd he go?
Where is he?
No. Make that cat go away. Tell that cat in the hat you do not want to play. I'm sorry. I don't think you meant the name Crinklebine. R.J. Crinklebine. Hate those dapper things. Oh, that one never gets old. Now, have no fear. My tricks are not bad. He should not be here. He should not be about. He should not be here when your parents are out. This little fish, he said, look before you leap. But they don't look, 'cause it's more fun to be surprised when the leap is done. This little fish, he said, save for rainy time. They say, but every time it rains, they spend what they put away. I know the rules from A to Z, and know that cat is trouble. And when you do the things he says, well, all your troubles double. This little fish, he says, when you're stuck inside all day, do the things you should, follow the rules, be good, see what the little fishy has to say. Why, we can have lots of good fun if you wish, with a game that I call Round Round. With a fish. La 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 la. Let me go! Let me go! It's so funny. La 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 la. Ding! I will hold on to you tight as I stand on a ball. The book in one hand. And cup good on my hat. I can hold up 2 books. I can hold up the fish, and a little toy ship, and some milk, and a dish. But that is not all. Oh no, that is not all! Oopsie daisy. A little respect for a fish. Now, I'll take a bow. These things will not bite you. They want to have fun. Come out, things 4, 3, 2, 1. Think of a day that is rainy and gray, and as dull as they come. And there is nobody there, and you're kicking a chair, and it's oh, so, ho, ho. Nothing to do, and nobody but you on each day that is flatter than flat. Well, that is the time for the cat in the hat. Think of a house that is small as a mouse, and as big as a pig. And it's so tidy and clean, if you know what I mean, and your folks are not in. Nothing to do and nobody but you, and you sat and you sat and you sat. Well, that is the time for the cat in the hat. The cat in the hat, in the hat, in the hat, in the hat. trick. And there is no one but you when your folks are in due to look for. Turn past 6, bounce on the brink of whatever you think. You know what could be better than that? Well, that is the fun of the cat in the hat. That is the fun of the cat in the hat. 911, cat out of control. 432 no, not in the house. Oh, the things they will bump. Oh, the things they will hit. I do not like it, not one little bit. Josie, your parents are home. Excuse me. Thanks.